Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 8, leçon K. And in this lesson, we'll discover together, if it does arrive, yes it does, les climats. Okay, so it will be a short one, vocabulary one, but still it's quite interesting. Let's see that. Les climats. Les climats tropicaux. Les climats tempérés. Les climats polaires. Okay, so les climats tropicaux. So you can see that even if we've got the plural form here, S, we don't pronounce the S, and then we don't pronounce the T either. Les climats tropicaux. Final X not pronounced. Les climats tempérés. Final S not pronounced, but then you should definitely pronounce the accent. Tempéré, okay? Les climats polaires. So same thing here. E and S are not pronounced. Polaire. Okay? Les climats continentaux. Les climats subtropicaux. Les climats de montagne. Les climats subarctiques. Okay, so les climats continentaux, remember, final X not pronounced, and then this AU together, they give you the sound O, okay? Les climats subtropicaux. Les climats de montagne. So remember here, O-N, on, mon, ta, and then this G-N-E, ny, montagne. All right? Les climats subarctiques. All right? So it was just to practice pronunciation. If you want more videos, then whoops, it's here, youtube.com/imagier, and the website is here, imagier.net. More material is waiting for you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.